Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to let you know that if you are using Microsoft Copilot on Windows, that I had noticed today that the landing page for Copilot has undergone a bit of a layout change, where if we head over to a screenshot I took of how it used to look previously, we can see things looking slightly different. So the chat box was here at the bottom, and it was more or less blank on that landing page. And you can see now that's looking a little bit different. So the chat box has moved about halfway up the actual app on the landing page. And everything else is exactly the same, just we get these little shortcut tabs for different conversation ideas and so on. Write a first draft, brainstorm, practice a language, take a quiz, and so on. And over and above that, I'm not noticing any other changes to the app, just this landing page, new layout and redesign. And I must be quite honest, I do like the chat box more centered than right here at the bottom. I'm not really a fan of what they're doing with these chat ideas, with these different tabs. But nonetheless, that could change. And Copilot, as I have been saying, is going to become a native app once again, according to Microsoft. And that's undergoing testing in the Insider program. So there will be a couple of differences to the app where your, as an example, your chat history looks like this currently in the stable version of Copilot, where your chat history will be here to the left-hand side, and according to Microsoft, the new native Copilot app for Windows is a native XAML app with a new user interface, but I'll leave a video for that link down below and in the end screen. But nonetheless, just making you guys aware that that little change has taken place in the Copilot app. And I'm only noticing this on my Windows 11 device, not my Windows 10 device yet. So it could be on a controlled rollout, or it could be something that Microsoft is A/B testing, but I think this looks a little bit more permanent than an A/B test. But just making you guys aware if you are using the Copilot app on your Windows device. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.